Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa if you're new around here, and today we've got a vlog for you. So I'm just actually getting ready. I thought I would do a little get ready with me whilst I was here because you guys said you wanted to see more get ready with me's within the vlogs, so I thought I would do that for you today. So I'm literally just going to put some moisturiser on, and I've actually been using this by Drunk Elephant. It's the De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. I've been using that with my moisturiser, and oh my god, it's just so nice. It just gives a bit of colour to the skin because I haven't been tanning my face this week at all. You can see my neck is like a different colour, and this just kind of evens it out a little bit. So I mix it in with my moisturiser and apply it to my skin. As you can see, it's like got some colour there, but it blends out really nicely, and it's a really nice kind of base for my makeup. So yeah, I like it. I had my eyelashes done yesterday. I had the LVL treatment that I was having before lockdown, so my eyelashes look lovely. I won't have to do anything to them. This is what it looks like on the skin. I've got a few blemishes, but apart from that, the colour is great. I'm actually going to go in with tinted moisturiser today, Laura Mercier tinted moisturiser, and I'm just going to apply that to the skin, and it just evens out the skin tone really nicely. So anyway, how are you guys doing? I hope you're having a good week so far. It's the weekend now here, so the boys are back to football, and Mark has actually got cricket. It's the last cricket game, I think, of the year, although he said that to me last time, so we'll see because they keep like changing it. So that is the tinted moisturiser on my skin. I really like the finish of it, looks great. And now I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on. This is the Laura Mercier ultra long wear concealer in shade 2W, and I'm just going to literally pop a little bit here. This one's not too light, which I actually like, but I have got a few little blemishes, so I'm just going to pop those. They're more pigmentation spots rather than blemishes. I do have a few down here. Buff that into the skin so I'm not like rubbing it away. This is a really great like everyday makeup look, school run, like quick makeup. I do like to set my makeup, so I'm just using the collection powder that I always use. I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer now. This is the Revolution Pro bronzer in the shade Baya. Just looks like that, and it's quite a reddy toned one, so it reminds me of, like, you know, a real tan. You know, when you get a real tan, you get that kind of sun-kissed look. I'm going to do a little unboxing with you later as well of some beauty bits, because I feel like I haven't done anything like that in such a long time. This channel used to be like beauty reviews, and I haven't done that in so long, so it's going to be really fun to be able to share with you some new bits. So that is my skin done. Let's go on to brows quickly. So the Browsings palette, shade light medium this is, so I use light medium. I'm just going to go in with the lightest powder in the palette just to get rid of any sparse areas. I don't really have that many. I've got quite thick brows, can you see? They're not too bad. I used to have like no brows, but thankfully they grew out. I'm thinking of getting my autumn decor out today. I feel like I'm a bit late to the game this year when it comes to autumn decor, but things have been so busy with work and with the kids going back to school, and it's just been a little bit hectic at home, so that's why I haven't got any of my autumn decor out. But I'm going to shop my own home today and get all of the autumn bits that I had last year and then place them around the house, so I'll show you what I do with that later on. And then literally I'm just going to put a little bit of eyeshadow in the crease area because, like I said, my eyelashes are already done, so I'm going to just go in with this Charlotte Tilbury palette because it's just a nice neutral colour. I'm literally just going to pop it in the eye socket like that. For my lips, I'm just going to go in with this Buxom lip liner. Needs sharpening, but it's called Hush Hush. And I'm just going to line the lips. For the lip colour that I'm using, it's this one by Max Factor, and it's the shade Nude Rose 015. And it's a really lovely kind of peachy nude colour. I love this colour so much. Oh my god, this lighting is so much better. It's because I had my other light on to do my makeup because I need it on. But it's like got so light now all of a sudden. But this is my makeup in the natural light, so you can see all of the products. They look much better in this light, don't they? I keep thinking about whether I should like cut my hair off again. Do you remember when I cut it into like a bob? So since I bleached my hair, it must be like over a year ago now, 2 years ago. This is probably how much is left of the bleach. And my hair has just not been great ever since that. So we've been going through a bit of a journey with my hair, and I'm thinking maybe I should just cut it to kind of get the condition back. I didn't have the breakage at the time because I cut my hair really short and it's grown so much, but because of the bleach it's affecting my hair now, like a year later. So I'm thinking maybe I should just cut it, but I don't want to because I've been trying to grow it for so long as well. Okay, so that is my hair all done. I'm gonna just let it like do its own thing today. I'm not putting any hairspray in it, so I'm just gonna let it drop out on its own because it will just get a little bit softer. It's a little bit too curly at the moment, especially up here, but it will definitely soften up as the day goes on.
Reach for the stars. God above.
I literally left the washing for like 2 days and now there's so much to do. I regret leaving it for those 2 days now. Hiya. So it's a bit later on in the day now, but I'm just about to fold some laundry in the utility room and I wanted to show you something. I said I was going to do a little beauty unboxing and it is this massive advent calendar. I'm not going to show you everything in here, but I want to show you a few bits in here because this is the Look Fantastic advent calendar. It is worth £460, but it's available now on pre-order for £85, or if you already ordered the beauty box subscription, you can get it for £70. But look at this. Oh my god, so excited. I do love an advent calendar, a beauty advent calendar especially. So exciting at Christmas time, isn't it? Just opening that little box every day. There's 25 boxes in here, so let me just open a few for you. So let's see what we got. This is box number 14. This is exciting, isn't it? I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what's in here. Oh my gosh. Elemis. Who else loves Elemis? This is the Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream. Oh my god. I love the marine cream from Elemis. It smells amazing. Oh, it smells exactly like it. Exciting. So that is the box number 14. What else have we got? Box number, let's do number 19. It's up the top here as well. So we have got in here, oh, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't used their products in ages. This is the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. That is what the wand looks like on that one. And then let's go for, should we do one more? Number 23. They always get quite good, don't they, towards Christmas. They get even better, I find. I always just want to open number 25. Oh, this is the Avant Rose Quartz Hyaluronic Sweet Almond Avocado Oil. So Harmonious Rose Quartz Revitalizing and Firming Mask. This stuff is so expensive. Oh my god, how exciting. This product alone is worth £79. That is such a massive saving. So this is £79 to buy. If you're a Beauty Box subscriber, you get the whole box for £70. So it's not too late to sign up now to get that amazing saving. If you're wondering about the Beauty Box that they do at Look Fantastic, it's worth over £50 each month. You pay £13 for the subscription, so it's already worth it in my opinion. And like I said, if you subscribe to that, then you can get more money off of this massive huge box here that's already got the products that are worth so much money. I mean, £63 for one product in here, so there's going to be loads of treats in there to enjoy. Should we open another one? I think so. Let's just do one more. Wow, this is number 4. The Rodial or Rodial, I don't know how they pronounce that. Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. I've been wanting to try this for so long. I've tried the moisturiser of this. It smells so good. I'm very excited to try that. I love the packaging of this as well because you literally just push down on the with the pad and then take your makeup off. Very exciting. I've also got a £15 off code, so you can save even more money. I literally can't believe how good this deal is. I think I'm going to get one for my mum as well actually. I'll leave everything that you need to know about the £15 off code as well in the description box. So make sure you make the most of it. If you're going to order it, let me know as well because I would love to know. And also at Christmas time, we can like open them together and be excited. So yeah, enjoy it. If you're going to get it, let me know. Good morning guys, so it's actually the next day now. It is Sunday today and I just wanted to pop in and say hello because I didn't get my autumn bits out yesterday, did I? But I've taken them down now from the loft and also from underneath the beds because I keep a lot of my cushions and stuff underneath the bed. Well, I'm just having a jump in them now, look. Squidgy, squidgy. Is it squidgy? Is it squidgy? What are you doing? Wow, that's squidgy. Landy, look at this side. It's fluffy on here, look. Look. Whoa. Wowee. Fluffy. You gonna make a pillow tower? You gonna make a pillow tower? Oh, say hello. Say hello. Are you gonna say night night? Go sleep, night night. Oh, go sleep. Night-night. Night-night. Oh, that's lovely and cozy on there, isn't it? Hey? Right, you ready to go night-nights? What have you got on your head? 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! Come on then, let's go. Should we go for a nap? Nap time. Hello. Right, Orlando's in bed and I feel like we should make this cozy now. There we go. So, fireplace for your home on Netflix. Right, this feels nice and cozy now. It's a bit odd having a fireplace up there, but let's work with it. I have got one down there, but I don't want to like make me really hot, so we'll just put this one on for now. So that's on Netflix if you ever want to feel cozy. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so we've got all of these cushions down here. Let me go through them so I can tell you where everything is from. I believe these are all from H&M actually. So we've got this one here. We've got this one I got from H&M probably a couple of years ago now. These ones here as well. Are these from H&M or possibly Laura Ashley? I think these ones are from actually. So they probably won't do them anymore. And then this last one that I could find is also from H&M. I know I've got a few more of these, but I don't know where they are. They'll do for now anyway, whilst we swap those ones out. And so we've also got this box of autumn stuff as well. We've got these gorgeous pumpkins here, which I got from HomeSense a little while ago. And also you can turn them on and it's like that. It's got this gorgeous like orange glow. I love that. I had that in the utility room last year, but now we've got the shelves in here. We can put that in here. So I've got that. And then let's open this. Right, so I've just put you there for now. So I'm going to show you what's inside. So more pumpkins. These again were from HomeSense, but I've also got this like wreath, this autumn, no it's not a wreath, it's a garland, which I love. I thought that was really cute. I got that on Amazon last year just because I wanted to add a little bit of orange to the room and it looked really nice like above the fireplace. So I'm going to do that again this year. I have got some candles which I got from IKEA, just that kind of more peachy colour, very autumnal I thought. And then we've got another pumpkin or two. What else have we got? Got some candles. I got this candle from HomeSense last year. This is a vanilla bean scented candle, but I liked the colour of it. I just thought it was very autumnal. And it is just really, oh, it just reminds me of autumn. It's like that vanilla autumn though. I just love the vanilla scent. So I've got that, another pumpkin, a silver one. And then I've got this like larger pumpkin here, more of like a rose gold one, which is very pretty. Again, from HomeSense. I've got a Christmas decoration in here. Shouldn't be in here, should it? Then finally I've got this candle which I got from Home Bargains last year. They've got them in there this year actually, and it's called Halloween. It's a Whitford & Co candle. That was lovely actually, that one. So yeah, that box smelled really good when I opened it. So that's because of the candles that I've got in there, which are just going to add a little bit of an autumn touch to the room. I don't want to go OTT. I'm not going over the top when it comes to autumn this year or Halloween, but I just wanted to feel a bit more cozy and kind of enjoy the coziness of autumn. I think first of all we'll put the garland up just to sort the centerpiece out, and then we can change the candles out as well. So let's do that first. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove everything from the fireplace and start putting other bits up there. I need to get a cloth, don't I? I need to clean it. These sleeves need to be rolled up. Got my duster at the ready. I need to change the head on this duster actually, but it'll be fine for now. I'm literally just gonna dust this to make sure there's nothing on here. So as I mentioned, I got this garland on Amazon last year. I imagine they've still got them on there. I literally just searched for autumnal garland and it will like come up with this. I just love it so much. I love the colours in it. I'm not usually a very colourful person when it comes to home decor, but that's why I love like decorating, because it just makes it more fun. So I think that looks pretty. I like that. I've put the pumpkin in the middle, kind of hold the garland there, because otherwise it was like falling down. So that looks cute like that. It's added a bit of colour. Now I just want to play around with this area. It's looking a little bit too busy for me, so I'm going to move some things around and add some pumpkins in as well. Okay, so the autumn decorations are all up now, so I thought I would just give you a quick little tour of what we've done. So I haven't really done anything here because I've removed a few bits and changed it around. So I literally put those candles up there because I still thought that they would be nice and cozy. I've put my owl little wax melt burner up there. I'm not going to be using it, it's just for like show, so I've popped that up there. Obviously got the fire on here, and then over here we've got the lovely garland. Again, I've got another wax melt burner there. I'm not going to use it, it's just for show because it's orange and I thought it would look nice there. And then we've got the shelves over here. Kept it quite minimal, I haven't gone too crazy, but I've just moved some things around. So these dried flowers I've moved to this corner here. We've got the lovely pumpkins in the centre there with the light, which I thought was really, really nice. And then up here, I've just moved some other bits around. So this I actually got from a charity shop the other day for around £2 or £3. And it's metal, it's actually really quite weighty. And I've literally just popped a hydrangea in there. Like I thought it was a nice autumnal kind of colour. I've moved this down from up there, that was from Dunelm. And then we've got our pumpkins over here with a nice candle, a nice autumnal candle. So that's just there. And then the top shelf, I've not really changed anything apart from swapping that one from there up there because that one used to be up there. So I've literally just moved some bits around, and that is my kind of little display for autumn, which I think is nice. It's kind of like understated but still autumnal, because in the evening this is going to glow really, really lovely. I might even get some like twinkly fairy lights or something and put those up as well. Also, if I just come over here, I've just show you the cushions I've changed and swapped out, so everything is looking a little bit more muted and neutral now. So I've kept the stripy cushions because I love those ones. Those are from La Redoute, and then I've told you where everything else is from. So these ones here, the black ones, are also from H&M. A lot of my cushion covers are from H&M because they're really affordable, and you know, you can just change them out as and when. So I like to save them throughout the year and like swap and change them. It just gives the living room a nice refresh, and I think this works really well for autumn. I love the stripes as well. I think that looks lovely against the kind of faux furs and the autumn colours. So that is my autumnal decor this year. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out all the links below and the discount code for your Look Fantastic advent calendar box. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
The clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.